Yo, how's it going? Gnomeski, welcome on in. Gnomeski Targ, good to see you. Happy Wednesday. We're going to start a new series today. What? We got a problem. Wait, 1 second. Wait. Okay, sorry. The music didn't loop. Whoops. Loop. There we go. All right. Whoops. All right, welcome on in. We're going to be starting a new series today. What is it going to be called? Let me find out really quick. It is going to be our Rust Candle Library. We're going to start some more Rust and AI because that's what you guys voted for. Hey, Ryan, cool. Good to see you. Welcome on in, Space Guy. It's Fanta. Welcome on in. Good to see you. You guys are amazing. Good to have you here. We're going to be starting a new series today focusing on Rust Candle Library. The Rust Candle Library, we're going to get the course. I've got a course right here, and we're going to learn some of the basics. We jumped right into the deep end with a variational autoencoder, which probably was a mistake to do that. However, it taught us so much, and we got it to work. Tuberkio, big brother, hello. I love Dorfic. Hey, good to see you. Restar, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday, you guys. I hope we're going to get excited here. We're going to start focusing on our Candle Coursera machine learning. We're gonna learn some more AI basically in Rust because that's what you voted for yesterday. Space Guy with a whole bunch of I don't know what that is. Okay, this is great. I'm looking forward to this. All right, so check this out. So we got our Coursera ML project, and let's see, what is Vi SRC? I have a project set up that is just Hello World. It's a simple Hello World here. So we do cargo run. It's gonna give us just the Hello World, right? Finally, not late. Hey, Restart, you made it. Good job. What is idea? So we're going to be learning the Rust Candle Library. It is a Hugging Face library that was inspired by PyTorch. So we're going to start off with some anomaly detection today. Where do you learn Rust? Oh, it's Fanta. Good question. All right, so first you go to Google and you type in Rust by example video. Press enter. And that's going to give you, let me get the window out over here 1 second. That's going to give you this window here. Wait, what? That didn't drag down. Yeah, there we go. There you go. And then it gives you a whole bunch of my favorite approach to writing Rust code. There you go. Rust by example. That's the answer right there. Where do you learn Rust? That's it right there. Oh, yeah. Example learning by reference. Exactly. You got it. How's it going there? Baloguna? Yo, Baloguna. Well, good to see you. Welcome on in. All right, so let's see where we're going to run over here. Let's go to our next page here. Actually, you know what? Let's go side by side. I think we should do a side by side here. So split our window, CD into our course. There we go. Right into our course, right there. Okay. Do you like assembly? I sure do. Yes, I sure do. Makara, yes, I do. Yo, Quick Fix, good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. You didn't come in yesterday because you were learning JavaScript. Hey, that's a good reason. JavaScript. Assembly's fun? Yeah, I agree. I agree. When did you get a hand camera? What do you mean? Oh, wait. I just moved the camera. I moved the camera so you guys could see it. Blocks 2. Yep, Blocks IO. Wait, what's Blocks IO? What do you mean? And more canvas. No more canvas? Oh, you were just working on a compiler to try to get the Hello Cat up. Oh, if you want. Yeah. It's actually still there. It's still there. Well, let me double check. Where are we? Yeah, let's go. Does it still work? Yeah, it still works. You can draw. It can still draw right there. There you go. If you want, you could draw it. You could draw on the screen. It's still there. I left it there because just in case. Just in case for you guys who are interested. I figured you might have been working on something. I figured. Yo, Hassan, good to see you. Welcome on in. W camera. Kyle, that's because of you. Kyle, I didn't know that if I didn't tell you this, that was because of you. You inspired me to change the camera angle. So thank you, Kyle. Yo, Bimpa, welcome on in. Good to see you. Well, it's been a challenge to say the least. It is not ready yet. Oh, okay. No worries. We'll give you some time. Spawning PubNub logo. Hey, all right. Good to hear it. Oh, look I didn't even notice. Look at that right there. Oh, that's awesome. Hey, good job. Very good job. That's amazing. Kyle's the man. Yep. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you for doing that. Yo, what's up? Hey, how's it going there, Deadly? Welcome on in. Linneman. Good to see you. You guys are awesome. Thank you, Space Guy, for whatever that is. I don't know what's going on there. Not really, but okay. Well, it is definitely you inspired it, Kyle. You inspired it. Let's see, where are we at now? So we're gonna do some anomaly detection. Yo, look at all the hearts. You guys, thank you. Thank you for all the hearts, appreciate it. I was not expecting it, but now there's a lot of hearts there. Thank you. Let's see, you expected that? You did? I figured it, Sergio, I figured it, yeah. Visit pubm.com or you're a noob. Hey, Kyle, I remember that. Whoa, Kyle, remember back in the day, remember back like, what is it, 20, maybe 30 years ago? On the web, it was all about you either knew something or you were a noob. It was, right? You remember those days? You knew something or you were a noob. It was one or the other. And you could always be a noob in something. You could always be a noob in something. Wait, you missed the last 3 to 4 days? How to draw in the face? Oh yeah, Linneman. If you want, you can, I left it up. So if you want, you could draw on my face. It's on the Discord. If you find the link, it's on the Discord. It's called Draw on My Face. Go over to Discord, go into link share right there. And then you find it's around here somewhere. Draw on my face, here you go. All right there, draw on my face. Good to go, you guys. Yeah, you was the noob. Me too, I was the noob too, I remember that. All right, so where are we gonna go? Vi, cargo, I'm gonna see what's going on here. Cargo Tommel. We need to get our candle core. And I also want to add a feature for metal. Not CUDA, but metal. So let's grab that. Let's figure this out. Vi, let's open up our, what is it? Core C cargo Tommel. There we go. And we're gonna add our anyhow. I like my anyhow. We gotta add our anyhow in here. And is there another version of anyhow that we should grab? Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this down real quick and open it up as a vertical window here, so it's a lot easier to navigate around. Then I can use my Vim buffer. I can use my Vim buffer, you guys. All right, candle, anomaly detection, cargo. Let's grab that. See, it's a lot easier. Oh, it's so much easier. Is there a new version of anyhow? Do you guys know? You guys know? You're new, but you guys know that by now. Hey, Sergio, we're all noobs. We're all noobs. It's a reverend. Hey, Sister 4. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Hello, Ruchi. Hi, pal. Good to see you. Welcome on in. We're going to be building, because you voted yesterday. Remember the vote? We did a vote at the end of stream. What are we going to work on next? Well, we all decided that we're going to do more Rust and AI. So we're doing some anomaly detection today. Some anomaly detection. Might take us a couple days to do some anomaly detection. Yo, it's going there. Imad. Yo, Imad, welcome on in. Build a full computer. Oh, that's easy. Well, I mean, it depends. Do you want it to build from nothing or for something? Yo, Ruchi, thank you for the 100. You're wonderful. Thank you very much. My gratitude to you. You're awesome. Ahmad, what are you saying over there? What are you saying? People is so creative when canvas. Oh, yeah. It was a reason why you came to watch this channel. It's a Fanta. It's pretty neat. Look at that. Whoa. Right here. Right. How do you say? Right here. Look at that. That's neat. Right there. That is wonderful. That is wonderful right there. I like that. That's a pyramid. That's a 3D pyramid. That's you guys. You guys are doing that. You're doing it. Yo, Maroc, challenge, build Roller Coaster Tycoon in assembly. That's what the original, right? The original author did that, remember? In assembly. That is Chad level programming engineering. All right there. You're going to learn Rust along the way. All right, sounds good, Linum. Let's do it. Let's do it together. We're going to be doing Rust. 7th like. Thank you, Ruchi. Appreciate it. You're awesome. That would actually be cool. Would it, Kyle? I think so too. I think so too. All right. Look at all the hearts, you guys. You're wonderful. Thank you. Can you add me on Discord? My name is... Well, that seems like a little bit of a challenge to add that name. I'm not sure how that's going to work. Here's our water right there. A little bit of water for me real quick. It's Fanta. Zed. I want to try Zed. So I've not tried Zed. I want to do more Mojo, some Zed, some Haskell. Those are things that we're going to do on the channel. We're definitely going to do those things on the channel. Let's go real quick to Google. I want to say crate.io, crate, C-R-A-T-E-I-O, anyhow. Let's open that up. I want to make sure that we're on the latest version here. Let's grab that. Where are we? It is 104. Okay, so see, are we already off by a little bit? Are we off by a smidge? I'm not sure. Let's see here. Version 1. Yes, 104. Yeah, we're off by a lot. Whoa, we're off by 100 versions. Look at that. 104. Okay, so that's the version we want right there. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. You're awesome. You're wonderful. Yo, Bonzupi. Hey, your dog. Oh, no, Bonzupi, that's terrible. Oh, I was not expecting that. Can you do this with a bunch of else statements? If else statements. Yo, Craze Vector. Yeah, you could. You don't want to, though. Here's the thing. It's really neat. When you get further in your career as software engineer, and maybe if you are writing code yourself, you'll find often that you do not need to use if statements very much. You don't use if statements anymore. Very rare. Yo, how's it going there, Rashil? Welcome on back. Good to have you here. Zed is only 100 megabytes of RAM, and the features are more than VS Code. Woo! Oh, wow. Hey, it's a Fanta. Nice to know. Howdy, Steven. Yo, Eric Lake. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Derek, didn't we do this already? Which one? Derek, what are you talking about? Well, yes, we've done the candle library before. We have. We're gonna start off with some of the more basics because we jumped right into the deep end, and we wanna step back a little bit and go back to the basics. It's a nice calm stream today. Get ready, you guys. Get all cozy. We're gonna be building some Rust with candle library. Right there, a little bit of Rust and candle library, and then I want to grab in the metal. Let's add in metal here. Oh, wait, I already had it. So metal, little bit of metal. There we go. Perfect. All right. So this is what our dependencies look like. Looking good. Uh-oh. Let's see what it looks like. It's trying to build. Let's see. By the way, yo, Rust again. AI. There we go. Rashil, Rust. Calm? Yes, exactly. Calm. Well, it depends if the cargo build is going to build. Is it going to build? I don't know. It might. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. My ceiling collapsed. Uh-oh. You thought you were having a bad day? That is a bad day right there. That's danger zone. Now, can you add on Discord? My name is... I don't know. Wait. What does it mean, Space Guy? What does that mean to add someone on Discord? Because you could find me. Let me try it. All right. We'll try. Go to Discord. How do we do that? What do I do? Let me hide the screen really quick. 1 second. How do we do that? Find. How do we do this? Search. Okay, search. Search for. Nope, that didn't work. Okay. Add. Search. It's not showing. It doesn't show up. It's not showing up. It doesn't work. Let's see. Winjai? What do you mean? Can you add me? Discord name is... How do you add someone on Discord like that? I don't understand. I know how to do a friend. Pending suggest. Add a friend. Here, username. Okay, send friend request. Okay, done. It said it failed. Didn't work. Double check the username's correct. It didn't work. It's done. We're done. It didn't work. I knew it. I knew it wouldn't work. Okay. Can you... Oh, hey, I was going over there. Here is how to join the Discord. Thank you, Kyle. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you. Challenge, build a full compiler. Oh, a compiler. Hey, well, we could build a mini compiler. We could do that. One that has like some if statements and a little bit of loops and things like that. We could do that. That's what you meant in the friend. Okay, I tried. It didn't work. It's failed. See, it looks... you can see I typed it correctly too. The Dill Pickle 2017. It didn't work. You missed my new message, Oh, you missed my message. Oh, sister, what'd you say? Sister, you said... Where is it at? Where'd you go, sister? What'd you say? It's not showing up. I don't see it. Let me check. 1 second. Channel activity. Sister. All right, what'd you say? Pin this. How to draw Steven's face. Oh, first ask Steven for Discord link, or if you don't have the Discord draw on the face, go to General in Discord and look for the link. Oh yeah, there you go. Okay. All right, I'll pin that. That's a good one. How do I pin it? Where is that at? 1 second. Here, I found it. All right. Message pinned. Done. All right, done. We did it. So young. Wait, 2017. What? Yeah. It seems like it. I just realized this web can be thing that lets us point on the screen. Yes, it is. You could do that. You absolutely could. 100%. This is okay. Let's see. If I miss your guys' chat messages, let me know. You'd rather have your ceiling collapse than lose it. Oh yeah, that is a something that's more easily fixable. Is a collapsed ceiling. All right, you guys. If I miss your chat message, let me know. You just realized that. See. All right. You're on vacation. You missed Minecraft. Yo, Myrene. You know what? Merino Minecraft. You could get Pocket Minecraft if you want, right, on your phone. On your phone, you could. All right. I don't know if we need Rand. Do we need Rand? We're going to say we're going to add Rand. I don't know if we actually need Rand. Also, what version of Candle Core do we want? Let's see if we can grab a new version here. Google Candle Create IO Rust. All right. Let's see if we can grab this here. All right. Candle Core. Do we want Candle and Candle Core or just Candle Core? Let's see. Minimalist Rust Framework version 1.11. We want 11. Yo, that is very old. Oh, wow. That is so old. My goodness. All right. What version of Rand do we want in there as well? I play Minecraft. I sure do. For free? No, you have to pay for it. It's like $14, I think. Yo, Derek. Yo, Steven. What model are you creating? This is going to be an anomaly detection model. We're going to do anomaly detection today. And this is going to take a multiple series of data points that line up as features, and we're going to find the point that doesn't make sense. The one that's like, wait a second, this is not in the right spot. It's not in the right spot. Yo, I like the pyramid. I like the triangles. Wait till you get home. All right, play it for free. There you go. Play it for free. Now, is that the best version? Here, let me go over to this. I want our Rand here. Rand, there we go. Rand version 10. So let's grab this. So whoa, there we go. Let's do that. Okay. So we got our Candle, we got our Anyhow, and we got our Rand. All right. Now, do we only need Candle Core, or do we need something else? Do you guys know? Cool, you're happy? Hey, Sergio, yeah, there we go. We're going to do some anomaly detection, you guys. A little bit of anomaly detection. Looking forward to it. All right, let's get that next song going here. Okay. Have you made any games? Yes, I have. I've made a Space Invaders type game. I've made an RPG, and I've made some puzzle games. I made them in the difficult mode though, where there was nothing. There were no Godot didn't exist. Unity didn't exist. Only OpenGL did. How can I play it? On stream? Oh, what do you mean? Look at the PubNub text in the pyramid. Oh, whoa, look at that right there. Check that out. Hey, that's really nice. Hey, good job. You're awesome. That's awesome. Where's the RPG? It doesn't work anymore because it's in old JavaScript world. That RPG didn't do a very good job. It was very, very poor. It was not a good RPG. Velo creators, hey, how are you? We're doing good. Thank you for asking. Happy Wednesday. You remember some years back, cancer detection model that made use of the close-up pictures. The person in the input determines the high accuracy, whether they have a cancer or not. And if there was a ruler in the picture, then it would classify as cancerous. I remember that, the ruler in the picture. You should do a Minecraft mod. Oh, wait, we could do that. I know how to do that. We absolutely could do that. Reshield, yeah. So for the anomaly detection, which model do you intend to use? Oh, we're going to follow along in this example. So here we go. This is going to be our Coursera anomaly detection. And we're going to build it ourselves. We're going to build it from scratch. So I'm going to walk through this. I'm going to understand how it works, and we're going to re-implement it using our own strategy. So that's what we're going to do today. You should do a Minecraft. We will at some point, you guys. All right, so this is the plan for today. Let's see, Darkforge Bacon. Is it going to build? I don't know. We're going to find out. Let's see if it builds. It's the newer version. So it should build perfectly fine. I think we should be in a good spot. Okay, so where are we out here? The healthcare image models are expensive. Are they really? Are they pretty expensive? All right, let's see here. 1 second. Let me grab this. Just smidge it up there. Okay. Is this correct? Are we doing it? Oh, are we doing okay? Yeah, we are. All right, 1 second. Smidge that. There we go. Perfect. Okay. All right. Your space mod can be cool on Minecraft with like rockets. Oh wait, you build a rockets mod. Very nice. Thank you for all the hearts, you guys. You're wonderful. Oh hey, Londo, good to see you. What's up? Hello. Is this Rust? Yes, it is. It sure is. Let me bring the screen down so I could see a little bit more easily. Let me screen this down here. There, come on, you can do this, Mac. All right, good. Yo, Londa, good to see you. Welcome on in. Yep, we're building Rust. We're going to be doing the Candle library from Hugging Face, which is a PyTorch inspired AI library, and it's for Rust. And we're going to be learning how to build an anomaly detection system. That's what we're doing today. Anomaly detection system, you guys. All right there. A little bit of anomaly detection. Yo, Null Zero, good to see you. Hey, Muga fan, welcome on in. Oh, we still have a thingy? We sure do. The thingy's still there. Zed only uses 100 megabytes of RAM. Zed only uses 100 megabytes of RAM, and the features is more than VS Code. Hey, Rushiel, I remember you said that a little bit earlier. I do. I remember that. So, Big Brother, what did it take for you to reach where you are? Many years of practice. That's all. Many years of practice and implementing real-world things. So, is this going to build? Cargo build. Let's see. Oh, wait. See, it failed. Okay. Failed to select version requirement Candle Core. All right. So, why is that a problem? Version Candle Core. Okay. So, we need to go find the right version of Candle Core here. That's what we got to do. And this is pulling. It's pulling from Git. So, that's wrong. We don't want that. Here, let's try that. Build. Unexpected character. Version. Where are we at here? Candle Core equals features metal. That looks fine to me. Why is that wrong? Why is that not look good? Unexpected character V. Oh, version. Oh, here. I'm fine. Fine. Okay, save. How about now? Hey, there we go. Now it's working. Hey, all right. Progress. We're making progress. Gonna draw in the pink. Okay, sounds good. I was going there. Lu Lin, what is all the hearts? So you're able to, if you go on our Discord, there's a link called Draw on My Face. If you click on the Draw on My Face, you can take your phone and draw on my face. You could do that. It's a link in our Discord called Draw on My Face. If you find it, you get to draw on my face. When are you going to get 17K subscribers? Hey, Rashil, I know, right? Where it's going to take a while. It's going to take some time. Let's see, Bacon Tui. Is it building? Is it building now? I think it might. Let's see if it does. We'll see how it works this time. All right, I think we're going to make it. There it goes. All right, only took a few minutes there. What code editor are you using? This is called Vim. This is Vim plus Tmux plus Ghosty. That's what I'm currently using right there. Vim, Tmux, and Ghosty. Okay, so is that the right anyhow? Is that the right RAND? Yes, that's that right Candle Core version. Double check. I want to do Candle Core here. Candle Core. We'll get this right. Oh, wait. Candle Core. Here we go. Yes, version 11. Okay. That looks good. Minimalist Rust framework. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. You're eating U-Crunch. What is that? Oh, Yo-Crunch. Is that the, are you eating an Oreo version? The Oreo version of Yo-Crunch? Only 55 lines of code for the pyramid and the pubnub text because of the Canvas engine. Whoa, it's a Fanta. Good job. 55 lines. Impressive. Very impressive. Meme in Discord. Where you got that? Where is that at? Here, let's close this. Bring this over here. All right, where's that at? In the Discord under memes. What do we got? Wait, anomaly detection. Yes, this is it right there. That's it. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're building right now. We're going to build an anomaly detection system, and it's going to go warning, anomaly detected. That's it right there, you guys. You know it right there. Right there. Training machines over the scans we currently have is extensive, I've heard. Is it? It is. I mean, it always is. There's computationally expensive because you have to extract all the features, throw those through the model, and then train them in multiple epochs. And it's expensive. It just is. It's just expensive, you guys. Do you like competitive programming? I've done this a few times. Yes, I've been in hackathons. I've been in multiple hackathons. And I've hosted multiple hackathons. So, yes. Also, yes. Absolutely, I'll say yes. Okay. Let's see. We're building the post-traumatic baseline test for AI experiencing simulated emotion. Wait, is that what we're doing? Wait, who's doing that? We as in humans? You do a cargo remove anyhow, Candle Core rand, and cargo add anyhow in Candle Core rand as a quick and dirty hack to make sure all your dependencies are fully up to date. Wait, is there a can I do that differently? Can I say, see, close that, or can I do cargo update? Can I do that? Does that work? Can I do cargo update? Vi cargo toml. Did that work? Here, I'm gonna try this. We're gonna try it. We're gonna see if it works, you guys. All right, load. All right, then update. See if that works. Packages updated. 0 packages updated. Okay, so that did not work. Okay. So you're right. All right. So we should add this back is what you're saying. This is from the Blade Runner. Oh, 2049. Yo! That was a good movie. I like that. I'm sure there's a better way to do it. Well, you know what? I think yours is actually the best way. So let's try it. So let's do this. Cargo, remove, candle core, anyhow, and rand. There we go. Vi cargo, Tommel. It's gone. All right. Let's add them back. Add. There it goes. All right. Cargo, Tommel. Then we go. Oh, and then we got. Oh, can I bring those features back? Am I going to get those features back? Oh, I'm going to have to say. All right, fine. Version equals features equals. Then we go metal like this. All right, that should do the trick. Okay, good. All right, we're back to it. Make a video about worst programmer. Wait, the worst programmer ever? The worst programmer. Someone who's actually in the industry and has caused more harm than good is what you're saying. Someone who's caused more harm than good. I think that does, but maybe. Yeah, it sure does. We did it. Thank you, Bonzupi. So, Tommel, it's much better than having to do this all manually, which we already did. We already did it manually. Hearts. I like that. The hello, S. Yo, hey, right there. Look at that. Hello, Steven. I see great content. Thank you. Keep it up. Hey, all right, will do. Thank you. See, you're writing there on the Steven. Hello, Steven. Thank you. You're wonderful. All right, let's see here. Where did we leave this off? All right, let's grab the source. We're going to grab main file, and then we're going to open up our anomaly detection here. And we're going to read through this. Let's read through this really quick, yeah? Let's read through this. Okay. So this is a CSV file reader, which is going to grab the record. We're going to grab the record. So I suppose that's a row, or is that results for record? All right, so we get a result, record, row, and then we're going to push rows. So, okay, so it's going to grab all the rows, and then it's going to grab, okay, so for every row, we're going to create the row and then push it into the rows. Okay. And then we're going to push it. And so data is going to be a 2-dimensional matrix, right? Is that right? 2-dimensional matrix, you guys? Is that what that looks like? Oh, the candle core actually was a version behind before, huh? It was, yeah, by 1. 10 to 11, there you go. We made an improvement. It's better, Bonzupi, better now. Thank you, Bonzupi. So this is going to create, let's see, len 0, len 1. Yes, okay, so this will create a tensor that is 2-dimensional, number of samples and number of features. Okay, so that's pretty powerful. And that's going to be a tensor. Yeah, so that'll return a tensor. Okay, so we don't need to do that specifically. I mean, we could. What I could do is just put the data straight there. Let's just create a vec of vectors and then return a tensor. So that's what we're going to do instead. We're going to create a vec of vectors and return tensor. All right, so function load data, and then we're going to return a tensor. Let's see, rocket results tensor. There we go. And then we also need to import everything. Hearts. Yo, hearts. Let's see, what is this supposed to do? Oh, Sister 4. We're going to build an anomaly detection system, right? We'll build anomaly detection. That's what we're currently doing. Anomaly detection. Yo, Official Xenix, good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Wednesday. As long as it's not AI art. Yeah, learning as a tool seems fine. Hey, there we go, Scraggy. There we go, Scraggy. What is it? Scraggly. Wait, Scraggly. I'm sorry about that. Scraggly. All right, Scraggly cat. Yes. So we are going to be learning how to build an anomaly detection. All right, so now we got some errors. So I need to import my candle. Or so let's see here. How do we do this? What is our import? We're going to say import something. Grab this here. Import our candle library. Use candle core. We're going to grab our device and a tensor. There we go. I should be able to save that and it should load now. What? No. Oh, wait. Anyhow. I need to use anyhow. Use anyhow results. There we go. Resulte. Now it should, what? Oh, come on. Types mismatch? Oh, I didn't return anything. All right, I need to return a new tensor. Okay, tensor, new. Let's see, look good so far, sister. All right, good to hear it. Let's see. Yo, hello. Hey, I saw you writing down there on the screen. Hello. It's also in blue. It's also in blue. That's pretty neat. See, hello, good to have you here. Is that Vishpat Candle Course repo? It might be. It might be. It might be. I think so. Yep, I found it. It's the only one that was available. I was looking for some good tutorials, and I couldn't find one. I eventually found the Coursera one. Yo, how's it going there? Azmazeratiru? Hey, how's it going over there? Hey, Maze. Hello, Steven. Good to see you. It's also Blue, aka it's me. I figured, Jinlu. I figured that was you. Trying to say your name. I'm trying to say your name. Azmaz. Is it Azmaz? Azemeze? Azemeze? I don't know say it. Good to have you here, by the way. All right, so let's see here. We're gonna say let our data equals a vec. I'm just gonna use a vec. What do you call it? A macro. I'm gonna use the vec macro. Use std vec macro. We're gonna use just the vec, only the vec macro. So we're gonna say vec of a vector, a vec of vex, right? So vec 1, it will say 1.0. Well, it's gonna have, will be a scalar, a really easy scalar, like that. And then we're gonna say a new tensor. Contrary, wait, what do you mean? Zimmy, is Zimmy? Do we say Zimmy? Zimmy's the answer? To cargo add candle with metal feature, you do dash features metal instead of hand editing it. That would have been way better. All right, so Bonzupi, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try that out right now. We're gonna try it out right now. Here we go. Let's hide this stuff for now, so that way our build succeeds. Okay, and then we'll say cargo remove candle core, like that. Then we'll add candle, add candle, dash features metal, like that. Boom. Boom. All right, Bonzupi, thank you for the teaching. Bonzupi, oh, official Xenix asking for mod. You were late. You had the features flags before offering it as a solution. Ah, yes, got it. Well, now we know. Now we know. Someone is advertising my Canvas engine. Are they? Are they doing that? That's pretty neat. That is pretty neat. Okay. So, oh wait, you can you can download. Oh wait, you can download the Canvas engine on Discord. There you go. Link share. Hey, very nice. It's being advertised now. Yes, I remember. So there was a React app. We looked at the React app. It had a bunch of glyphs, right? The glyphs in an array. I remember seeing it. Steven, Syria, Bueno. Oh wait, what are you saying over there? I need to translate that. 1 second. I don't know what you're saying. Twitch doesn't have auto translate. All right, what are you saying over there? Auto detect. All right, there we go. Steven, it would be great to get a greeting in Spanish. Oh, well, hola. Hola, Londa. I've been following you from Colombia lately. Hey, all right. Londa, good to have you here on Twitch. Well, hola. Welcome on in. Thanks. Hello, Mugafan. Let's see. Thanks for advertising it. Yeah, thank you for whoever's advertising it right there. You guys are awesome. Do you use Raycast? I have not used Raycast before. I have not used Raycast. Okay, where are we going next? So Vim, our main file. Let's see if we can get our load tensor working. Here we go, new tensor. And what do we want? We want our data, and then we need to say what the resolution is. It's gonna be a 1x1, right? 1x1 currently, right? And then we need to say a data type, which should be can we do F32? Can we do an F32? F32. Yeah, like that. Okay. Data will be a vec of vectors of F32. Like that. And then we need to fix this. How about that? No? Okay. We need to, oh wait, 1 second. What about that? Nope, still an error. Okay, we'll fix it. We'll fix it. We'll fix it, you guys. You missed my message, Muga-fan. You said, can someone make the rainbow tsunami cover the entire screen again? You remember that? That was pretty fancy. That was pretty fancy, you guys. See, 1 second. Okay. Sent a message to Discord about the internship. Oh, right. Oh, yes. Oh, it's right. Azim, yes. You sent the message. I remember. Okay, got it. Now I connect the two. I remember you. I saw your resume. Sounds good, Muga-fan. Sounds good. In a few minutes. Sounds good. Okay, let's see here. So open up our source candle, anomaly detection, main file, and we need to from slice. Okay, so we need to do a from slice. Data.as slice. Is there? Can we do it from vec? Is there a different way that we could do this? Because it is a vector, right? I've got a vector here. So is it tensor from? Can we do from vec? Is that a thing we can do? Didn't like that? No from vec. Okay. I suppose we could do slice, and then we need to do a tuple and device. Oh, we need the device here. Okay. So and device is going to be a device. Oh wait. No. Device, just like this. The reference to device. Okay, so we need to load our data. We're going to get a reference to the device. We're going to pass in our device here. Also, let's double check here. Device is going to be an end device. Yes, okay, good. Okay, we're getting it right. I missed 2 of your messages. Muga-fan, no, I read it. I read your message. Gain muscles. Yo, Bread, I was you. Good to see you, Bread. You're going to get me one of these days. You're going to get me. I know you are. You'll try it. You're going to get me one of these days. Steven, can you play Minecraft like you did 1 month ago? Oh, official Xenix. Yes, okay, so we could do that on the weekend. We can do Minecraft on the weekend. Not during the weekday because, I should be working. And this is adjacent to working right now. If I'm playing games, then we're off topic at that point. What have you actually make a game? Yes, I've done that before. Yes. Space, shooter, and RPG. I've made those before. Make a Minecraft server to... Oh, we did. We had one. We had one for a while. We did. We had one. We definitely had one. All right, so dot from as slice. See if that works there. A slice. Okay. From vec, but we're going to say from slice. Slice. How about that? No? Still an error? Vec F32 with D type not satisfied on line 27? We don't have line. What about line 9 then? Maybe line 9 right here. Let's see here. Let's bring this back over here. There we go. Save that. All right. So line 10. Okay. Wait. Oh, wait. What is it? It's not a. Okay. We're gonna figure this out. New. How about new? See if we can grab this here. No? Okay. We're gonna need to figure out, we need to figure out how to do this. How do I rainbow storm? Oh, you have to, there's someone, I don't know who it was. I forgot. They built a rainbow storm app that let them draw on the screen in a rainbow storm. That's what they did. And it was amazing. It was amazing. Yo, hey, Bread over there on Twitch. How do I draw on the screen? I will give you the link here. 1 second. I'll give you the link. 1 second. If you're on Twitch, you get the link automatically. Oh, wait. That's not where it is. Oh, wow. A lot of people draw on there. Okay. So I will copy the link here. Copy link address. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Here you go, Bread. Right there, Bread. Which language is that? This is Rust. Anoop. Hey, Anoop. Good to see you. This is Rust programming language. We got Rust here. And we need to figure out how to make our new tensor. Let's see here for tensor. Do we get a few tensors in here? Tensor, lots of tensors. New. All right, and then this is going to give a range probably, so it's not going to be a new tensor. So we do need to do it from slice, and we're going to have a vector of vex, right? I think so. It should be a vector of vex, right? F64. Does it need to be F64? Okay, let's try that. F64. We'll bring this back over here. F64 save. Nah, didn't like that. Still not a problem. Okay. Line 10, 2 arguments, but 4 arguments are supplied. Right. Okay. Here. This is the problem. This is the actual problem. Right here, slice, tuple. We got to tupleize it like this. There we go. Steven, you did the digital in the whole planet? Wait, Steven, you did everything digital in the whole planet. What is it? What do you mean? A restar. What do you mean? It won't let me draw on your face, official Xenix. Oh no! Oh no! All right, maybe 10 minutes, Muga fan. Sounds good. You can't draw because you have to double tap, and it keeps getting bigger and smaller on the screen. Oh, well, you don't double tap then. Don't double tap. So just drag your finger on the screen, right? So I'll show you. I'll show you right here. Right here. Draw my face. All right. So you see right there? See that right there? Just drag on the screen like this. So see how I'm drawing in a circle right there? I'm highlighting the text on the screen. That's it. Just don't tap. Just drag. Just drag your finger. That should do it. That should do the trick right there. The previous stream had so many rainbow storms. I know it did, yeah. So whoever was doing the rainbow storms is not here today. You made a server mod, Rust AI, website, compiler, and oh, yes. Restart, yes. Yes. Yes, indeed. Wow, a pixel. Yeah, I got the new one. What are we coding? Yo, bread. So we're going to build anomaly detection. We're building anomaly detection right here. Some anomaly detection. This is going to probably take us a couple days. Deep reinforcement learning. Yo, Iran Games. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We are going to be building just an anomaly detection, and we are going to give it our best shot here. Did it save? Did we get it? All right. Indie array is not satisfied. Does it need to be a address? No, it doesn't. All right. Oh, from slice. Here we go. From slice. How about that? 32. It wants 64. Does it really want 64? Here we go. Wait, whoa. 64. There we go. Nope. Ah, there we go. All right. Constant provide when a type was expected. Wait, a constant? What are you talking about? Mismatch on line 6. That should be fine. What are you talking about? That's totally fine. All right, sounds good, Rushiel. Sounds good. All right, low key, you should play Among Us. Yo, Brett, I remember that game. Remember when the lockdown happened, we all stayed inside? Among Us was the game to play. The screen says Rainbow Storm is coming. Oh, did it really? Did it? Okay, we're going to make it happen, you guys. You did 7. Remember your friend Greenland? I do remember your friend Greenland. That was from a long time ago. Whoa, your friend Greenland, many, many months ago. You missed 2 message, Sister 4. Means I mean, Sister 4. Mugafan mean they can't draw hearts because screen kept getting bigger and smaller. Yeah, I understand. The zoom in, zoom out. The app apparently is zooming when it shouldn't be zooming. And I tried to disable that, but it doesn't seem to be doing the trick. My handwriting is bad. Is it? It's pretty good. I think you're doing okay. Can I get mod now? Oh, I know. You keep asking. Yeah, that's who you are. Oh, you changed your name. Yo, well, it's good to see you. Your friend Greenland. It is fantastic to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Let's see if we can fix our anomaly detection, yeah? So we're just trying to get load data happening here. Something really simple. From slice, tuple. What did we do wrong, you guys? What did we do wrong? Tuple and device. Yeah, that's it right there. That's it. We're looking good. We shouldn't have any more problems. No more problems, you guys. All right, let's do this instead. See if we can do a little bit of debugging here. A smidge of debugging. So we'll do a new. We'll grab this here, and we need our device. We still need the device no matter what we do. No matter what happens. I can't figure out how to place the hearts on this iPad. It just won't do it. Yeah, okay. Jinlu, it's probably because of the order of bubbling on the events. I have a click event and a mouse pointer event. And so one of them is overriding the other one. Rainbow Rain, it's going to happen. Yo, Nike Thor, good to see you. Zachary, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Okay. I think that's what it is. And so we can fix it. You can fix it on the iPad version pretty much because all it's looking for is on a channel, a specific channel click. A very specific channel. You just got to send the coordinates and then it will draw a heart, basically. Yo, quick fix. The rainbow. Yo, Jay. Good to see you, Jay. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday or Wednesday. Good to have you here. All right. So why is this not doing what I want it to do? It's a vector vex right there. That should be perfectly fine. What if we don't? So what if we do something else instead? All right. Let's go : new. And I'm going to just copy. No, I want the new tensor here. Yeah. 2. Fine. We'll do 2. 2.0. Done. Okay. Save. No. Delete this. All right. That should work now. Type mismatch. No, it's a tensor. That is result. That's 100% a tensor. Please, I need mod. Is you're kind homeless? You're kind of homeless for that mod? I think you're perfectly fine without being mod. You don't need to be mod, right? If you're asking for mod, should you have mod? It's kind of like that power question. That rainbow's okay? It is. I like it. I like what we got here. I like the raindrops. The raindrops are really nice. Could you make color swapper on the drama face? Link, please. The color swapper. Oh, Muga fan. Yeah, so you could change the colors. I see what you're saying. Yes, we added a placeholder to implement it. If you want, you can download the code because it's open source, and you can add your own color picker. You could add your own color picker. You could. Could I get the link to draw on? Sure, absolutely. It's on our Discord. So at Nike, go to our Discord here, and it is under link share. Whoa, not what is that? Link share. I will give you the link here, Nike. Copy the button here. There we go. At Nike. There you go. Link share right there, Nike. Just head it and find the draw on my face app here. I'll put it down here so that way you can get it a little bit more easily. A little more easy. Every single effect on the screen. There's so many effects, you guys. So many effects. Let's see. Do you have a Discord, Nike? That's also a question. You got to have that Discord. Someone was trolling there and the other mods. Yeah, a little bit. Please, your favorite YouTuber. Hey, official Xenix. So, yep, you got to make sure. You already know the rules. You got to have someone. Oh, hey, quick fix. Thank you. A direct link. There you go. You became mod because I asked him that time and it actually needed it. And it became mod. See, it worked for Bonzupi. It did. No, I don't. Oh, okay. So, hey, Nike, Quick Fix sent you the actual link. Quick Fix already sent you the real link there. The rainbow storm being peaceful, being rainbow. Yeah, it turned into rainbow rain. It sure did. It sure did. All right, you guys, if I miss your chat, just let me know. Okay, so Nike Thor, if you see Quick Fix chat, posted the link just there. If you click on that, that'll do the trick. Is that nobody wants to be mod because my mod was taken? Is it? I don't know. All stop. What do you mean stop? Oh, you will stop. Okay. Is the rain getting bigger? It is. It is getting bigger. Look at that. You guys are awesome. The rain is angry now. It's getting extra rain. So much rain, you guys. That's a lot of rain. If you need the GitHub link, the mod, or I can give it for you. Yes, there you go. Thank you, sister. All right, so why is this failing now? Because I'm returning a tensor. That's a tensor right there. It's a tensor. It's straight up a tensor. Mismatched types. It is a tensor. Why that not be an okay tensor? I think that seems like a perfectly fine tensor. What else would it be? It should be a straight up ready to go tensor. Result a tensor. Yeah, see, that looks good to me. Right there. Data, it's a tensor. Oh, it's the thing. Okay. No, that should have done it. That should have done it right there. Let data tensor. All right, here. All right. Let tensor. It's going to be a tensor equals new tensor. Here we go. Close that. Oh, it's because I had the semicolon. It was the semicolon part, you guys. You need this, do you? Do you really? The tensor is not tensoring. I know, Jinlu. I figured it out. I have it this time. There we go. It was because I had the semicolon. All right. Now, good. There it goes. It's good. We figured it out. We got it working, you guys. We got it working. We're on the right track now. We certainly are on the right track. Here we go. Let me click this up there. All right. Looking good. Hey, Joe. Oh, official. What'd you say over there? All right. 1 second. So now that we fixed that part, let's see if we can get our data back. Let's bring the data back here. Let's grab this vector. 999 redo. Paste, save. Yeah, I see. I knew it was right. I knew it. Okay, let's see if we can get our tensor going now. Get rid of that. Okay, save. All right, so what doesn't like that? The trait bound vector 32 with D type is not satisfied. What does it need to be? Does it need to be a 64? Let's try the 64. There we go. F64. It doesn't like that. Well, why not? All right, so what are we missing? What are we missing here? Let's see. Device, feature count, slice, tensor. That's it. Really simple. No challenges whatsoever. Right? Looking good. Into iter, flatten, vector collect, vector of vectors. I don't get it. I don't get it. You're back, sister. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. So what's missing? I do need this. Official Xenix. Okay. So if you have like a legit reason, would be great to hear it. It would be great to hear it. What is the reason that you would need it? If you provide that reason and there's actually a legit reason, then you might actually end up getting the mod. It might happen. It might happen. So what am I missing here? So I've got everything in the right spot. I've got my vectors. And do we see any vector types, any data types in here? It says parse F64. So it is an F64. Right there, it's an F64, so we should be perfectly fine. At least along those lines, yeah. Along those lines. Here we go. Where are we at here? From slice. Let's see. All right, let's do this. Let's close this. Cargo build. Let's see. Divide. Okay. Oh, right. Oh my goodness. How about that? Okay. Let's bring this back here. Build. Okay, one error remaining. Cargo build. Okay. With D type, do I need that? Required by this trait bound tensor from slice with D type. Create with D type. I don't understand that. Let's see. From slice, unsatisfied trait bound. F64 with D type is not satisfied. I'm not familiar with this. I'm not familiar. Screening's getting calm. It is. Yeah, there we go. Hey, it's going to go. It'll like calm down a little bit. It'll calm a little bit calmer, and then we'll turn it off at some point. We will turn it off. For now, though, we're good, though. F4, F6, the following types implemented with D type. See, right here, F64. It's right there. You see it. It's right there. I'm looking right at it. It says F64. Like, it's supported. The following types implemented are F64. And I wanted it to be F32, but F64 is fine. I don't mind. So how's this? How do we get this to work? All right, requirement trait bound from tensor slice. Let's see if there's an example here. Let's see, rebuild this. All right. From slice, does it say create with D type? Okay. So what I'm going to do is we're going to say Google, obviously candle, and then we need to do tensor from slice example. Let's see what we're missing. We got something missing, you guys. Yo, what do we got missing here? Bring this over here. Hide this over here. Bring our terminal window back so we can see it. There we go. Terminal window. Here we go. Terminal window, please. Thank you. Okay. All right. What are we missing? What are we missing? See? This is exactly what I'm doing, by the way. Oh, yo. Okay. Okay, got it. All right, we can do that then. We can do that. All right, that's what was wrong. I was trying to do it with a vec, and it wanted it to be an address of a vec. Does it do an address? Address of address? Is that gonna do it? No, okay. So we're just gonna not do this. We're gonna get rid of that. We're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna say a slice. We're gonna do, We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. All right, we figured it out, you guys. We figured it out. Someone is just straight up using draw on my face thingy as a fidget toy. Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Just like tapping on the screen. It is satisfying. Whoa, what's that? Okay, 1 second. Let's bring back our terminal window here. Okay. Then I want to bring back this window here. And let me copy and paste that. So that way we have that as a reference. Okay. Oh, here we go. Paste that in. Okay. So we should do F32. F32 is going to be the data type. And we're going to do an address of an address. A slice of an F64. Let's see if we can get that to work, yeah? Do address. We do address. Save. Can we do as... Do we... Oh, wait. 1 second. Let's bring that back. Let's see. From data. Okay, so we don't have this... Because it's already a slice. It's already a slice. Okay, we're getting closer. We're getting closer, you guys. Just a little bit closer there. Wiggle, wiggle. I'm not gonna talk, gonna send the links and answer questions. Sounds good, sister. Thank you. Thank you. Screen equals calm, song equals calm. Oh, is that how it works? Okay. When it's calm is when the song's calm. All right, let's see here. Where are we at? Okay. Let's do this and do results. We're gonna do a return an empty result. Okay. I know we don't need this, but we're gonna do this anyways. There we go. Because we're gonna grab this later. We'll need it later. We'll need it later. Yo, go, good to see ya. Doesn't Square Enix do automated AI for debugging issues in their games? Do they now? Do they? I bet they do. Yes, I think they do. I think they do now. I think they do. All right, so let's simplify this really quick. Let's simplify this. So we'll go F64. Okay, save there. Okay, data one by one, or is it just a one tuple? Okay, and then a device. Do we have to say an AND device? No, because it already is an AND device. It's already the address of a device. You timed me out on Xenix. Oh, hey, you shouldn't have said that. Yo, Neymar, don't tell people that. You're going to get timed out again. You're supposed to go on the DL. You're not supposed to. You did it wrong. All right, let me see. Unexpected close delimiter. All right, sounds good. From slice. 2 by 3. Oh. Interesting. Okay. And device, data, F32. Okay. We're trying just the simplest of things here. Just the simplest of things. And it is having an issue. All right, so let tensor. We're gonna try this tensor. There we go. Tensor equals this. We're gonna grab that there, paste it over here. Question mark. A little bit of question mark there. Neymar is literally exposed why he lost his mod and won't get official Xenix account. All right, exactly, Joe. Exactly. Neymar. Oh, you messed it up. Oh, you got timed. So I told you. All right, let's see if we can grab this now. Tensor like this. All right. Okay. So now we've got everything split up into different lines, so we can see that a little bit better. F32. Bring this back over to 32 here. Save. Okay. Now we're going to cargo build. See, unexpected close delimiter. All right. So where did we fail that at? Oh, is it here? Device. That looks good to me. Oh, here it is. There we go. Hey, it only took us a good 20 minutes there to do the simplest things. Yo, how's it going there? Mythical. Yo, Mythicalism, good to see it. Welcome on and happy Wednesday. We're building what you call a reinforced, meme. See, memes here. Memes and more. Anomaly detection. We're building anomaly detection in Rust. Where you're going to download Linux on your PC. Xfce. Yo, Xfce. That's my preferred Linux OS distro. I like Xfce. I like it. XFCE, you guys. XFCE, that's the one. Do you mind if you try Z Code Editor? Ifs Fanta. I mean, we could. It's just I love them. I love them so much. Hey, Mike Blogger. Steven, sorry, won't make it today. Hey, Mike Blogger, good to have you here. Thank you for saying hi. You just did a backflip, epic or not? Yes, mad. Mad? Yes, epic. That counts as epic. You win. Hey, how's it going there? Do you have kids? I don't. How do you do the text and pyramid? So someone who's doing the text and pyramid here, they wrote software to write to my screen. Yes, they did. They write software. And it's they send it over the PubNub API, which communicates from their device to my device. And then it draws it on the screen. It's pretty neat, yeah? That actually has a Vim mode. Does it really? Okay. Google ZIDE. All right, let's bring this up here. Let's bring it up. I'm gonna stick in my I love my terminal window, right? I love my terminal window. See how beautiful it's laid out and clean, and all it is just text. There's no buttons, there's no drop-down menus. It's just text on the screen. Perfect. Perfect. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. Let's see here. Let's go back over here. All right. Your next editor. Zed is a minimalist code editor, speed and collaboration. Okay, so there's quite a bit of text on here. Okay. I see a switcher. I see some nav here. And I see some, it looks like Git stuff. I'm not sure. It looks like version control things. And then, oh, this is going to be your AI agent. That's going to write the code for you. Okay. Got it. That's the AI agent that writes the code for you.
Most editors are built at a speed most tools physically can't.
Yes, and it's GPU accelerated, right? It's GPU accelerated. My name? Hey, very nice, my name. I tried to code on one time and I think I broke your dad's laptop. Oh, hey, got it. Understood. Yeah, that can happen really easily. Can you do the text and the pyramid on iPad? No, you have to do it through code. You have to do it through source code. You got to do it through source code. Let's see if I can do this now. I want to do an address of an address. Yeah. All right, so let's do this. Address of address. Although we're not supposed to, right? Because it's incorrect. So it's supposed to be a straight up vector. And then we convert it. So if I do this, let's do a 1.0. I think we could just do this, right? 1.1, save it. And we could do a 1x2. Yeah. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Good. So now I can create a good sample set here. Let's create a good sample set. Yeah. Let's do 1.1, 1.2, 1.5, 1.1, and then we'll do 1.8 and 2. We'll do 2.0 in there. Something like that. Something that fits on the screen nice and easy. A little nice and easy. You have a pyramid and PubNub text. Yeah, it's Fanta. It is neat. I really like that. I think that's fancy. Yo, quick fix. Yo, look at that. You did it. Quick fix. That's amazing. And it's an interesting style too. It's very interesting. I like it. All right, let's grab this right there. Okay. So we'll throw the anomaly around here somewhere. So let's put this as the anomaly. So this will be the anomaly. 7.6 right there. How do I do the hearts? Nike, it's just a tap on the screen, right? So it's just a tap. I'll show you here real quick. So you see the screen? You just tap, right? Tap. Just tap on the screen. Just one tap. It's just a tap. Tap and then you're good to go. Why do you work all day? Oh, hey, well, I work all day because it's a lot of fun. And also it's something that I have to do. Because if I don't, then I will not feel productive. And I want to feel productive. Friend of yours studied computer science. They were doing some complex stuff and you were studying fish all day to study deep sea marine biology. Hey, are you going to become a marine biologist? I had a friend many years ago. That was their dream, to become a marine biologist. Did they become a marine biologist? No, they didn't. They became a chef. They did something else. They did not become a marine biologist. Okay, so we've got our numbers. So let's do this. How many numbers is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Is that 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's a 7 by 3. So we'll say a 3 by 7. So 3 rows of features. So that should do the trick. I'd love to be able to print that out. So let's do a print ln exclamation point, and then we'll throw this into our tensor right there. Boom. Okay. Print it out. So let's see. Let our data, which is a tensor, equal. You made a deep sea marine biologist? You are. I am. You right on the side. Oh, you actually became one. Hey, whoa. That's impressive. Okay, good job. Good job. You did it. Good job. Very, very nice. Very nice. I'm happy for you. That is pretty fantastic. All right, looking at the clock here real quick. All right, we're looking good there. All right, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Okay, let's get back to our coding, guys. Thank you. Yeah, Mad. You know what? Maddenker? Is it called Mad? I'll call you Mad. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. When you try to print out, if you do tuple 3-1, it not print the value, only dimensions. If you do 3 comma, then it print the first 3 element in the tensor. So confused? Oh, yeah, that is actually kind of weird. Linum, it should have a default. It should know. It should automatically know. Hey, Restart, got to learn that JavaScript. All right, good to hear it. Yeah, it's mad. Okay, got it. Bay, there you go. What is the model of your chair? This is the Amazon Basics. Amazon Basic, you guys. Amazon Basic. All right there. Yo, Rust. Yay, Ren Ocean, you got it. We got some Rust going on here. Little bit of Rust. Just a smidgen of Rust. Uh-oh. What do we do? Oh, right. Okay. Tensor, we're going to say load our data. And then we're going to pass in our device, the reference to it. We need to set our device over here and let our device equals, we're going to say it's a device. We know already it's a device. And we're going to say device dot, how do we do this? Try from metal. It's, how do we do this? There's a really good way to do it. It's, here we go. The reference is, yeah, CUDA if available. That's what it is. All right. So we're going to say metal if available, like that. And do we do a question mark at the end of that? Yes, we do. And we say 0 as the first device that's available. All right, save. Oh, it's so close. It's so close. We're almost there. We're almost there. So let me close this. Okay, so what is wrong? Mismatch types on line 20. So we can figure this out. Right here. Question mark. That's what it is, right there. Boom. There we go. We made progress, you guys. We finally got our data working. It only took a smidgen of time there. Okay. So let's see if we can build more. Let's figure out more here. All right. So now in order to get our anomaly, load data set, data, get our z-score normalize. So what's this? We're going to normalize it. Okay, so we're going to mean the data. We're going to center the data around 0. We're going to get the variance, and then we're going to square root it, which means we put 1. Oh, no, it's just a square root, right? We're going to find the square because we're squaring it here to make sure that every number is positive. And then we're going to mean it again, and we're going to get all positive numbers. And then we're going to grab the variance, standard deviation. Okay. And then we're going to broadcast, subtract the mean, and then divide by the standard deviation. So we're going to normalize. Basically, we're going to do a norm. Okay. Before I go, Restart what? Do you have any advice for JavaScript? Yes. Douglas Crockford. Yes, Douglas Crockford. Douglas Crockford. Look up Douglas Crockford. Only the best parts. Only the best parts. JavaScript, the best parts. I gotta... Oh, you removed the pen. Oh, wait. Don't remove the pen? Okay, I won't remove the pen. Let's see. Forgot to mention my friend, now chef, who codes as a hobby. Oh, wait, no way. Force him to cook for me since he's roommates. Buy the food and he cooks it. There you go. That's a good, what do you call it? a trade-off? Is that a trade-off? Yeah, it's a good like balance. It's a good teamwork, right? So you pay for the food, you buy the food, and then your roommate cooks the food. Hey, there you go. Very nice. Yo, Redless Saber, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We're doing some anomaly detection today. Anomaly detection. It's been so long. You joined now and there's a new setup, everything. Yeah, we got a new camera angle, which is just from there to there. So it looks like it's pretty dramatic, although it's just a very smidgen of a change. And then we've got our Rust here, and we're going to be creating an anomaly detection algorithm. And so I'm going to write some of my own. So we just wrote our own version of this function here. And now we're going to get our normalizer. So we subtract the mean and we square root it. We grab the variance. Okay. Let's see if we can do this ourselves here. All right, so let's do a norm. So we're going to say function normalize. And then we're going to grab our tensor. Tensor, everything's an address. We're going to return a result of a tensor. Result of a tensor. Tensor, there we go. All right, pull this in over here. And then we're going to start the normalization process. Let average, this is the average, the mean equals the average. We're going to grab at the 0, we're going to grab everything, grab at the 0 dimension. I would also love to print this out though. I'd love to print this out. Let's see if we can run this, yeah? So let me hide this really quick so we can get that working right there. New camera angle. Yo, SQ Lighter, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're doing good over there. SQ Lighter, good to have you here. You're going to keep this canvas every time you stream now? Oh, we'll keep it up for a few more days, yeah? We'll keep it there for a few more days. Hey, Joe, what actually is an internship? We don't have them over in the UK. You don't really? Wait, no way. You don't have internships in the UK? Are you serious? That seems so strange to me. We have apprenticeships. Okay, but they are only for younger people. Yes, so it's basically the same thing. That's what that means over here too. It's typically for internships that have no experience in industry. They don't have much experience or no experience, right? They might still be in school or they have graduated and they have no experience. They do an apprenticeship so that way they might get hired or they might go off and do something else. It depends. What are we coding? An anomaly detection algorithm with the Rust candle library. We're going easy mode. We're going to go easy mode for the next week or so. We're going to go through some tutorials so that way we become really familiar with the Rust candle library. You will be too. If you follow along, you will become an AI expert as well. So I want to run this really quick. Let me see if we can run this. Cargo run. Let's see what we got. I want to see the output. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. Right there. Right there, looking good. See, why not z-score norm in impl for the tensor struct? Oh, lavish. That's a good idea. Yo, it's a good idea. We should do that. Hey, you're smart. You're clever. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, we'll change it up. Okay, so we'll do an impl. See tensor. Let's see. And then we'll do, what is it called? We'll say norm. We'll call this norm. I think there's nothing else in the norm, right? Function norm. So we'll try this. Yeah. We'll see if that works. We'll make it work. See, so that's what we're coding, you guys. Wouldn't it take on someone older than college age in that role? We might, maybe. Although it's pretty rare because typically someone who has more senior experience, they would require a higher salary. And so they might not fit the salary expectations for the role at the time. You said a good example, Stephen. A, Sergio, thank you. Yo, not K, good to see you. Hi, guys. Welcome on in. Chill stuff, man. Thank you and like it. A, Zachary, appreciate it. You're wonderful. Thank you. Don't know nothing. Not a single chance I'll be able to follow and a beginner tutorial. Wait, you will. Don't worry. Some stuff will stick. Not everything, but maybe one thing will, right? Maybe one thing. We might be able to get one thing in there. Rust and AI, large language model. Yeah, there we go. Do you accept internship? Yo, Ren Ocean, yes, we do. We currently don't have any open internships right now, though. I will let you know in our Discord as soon as we have internships ready. I will tell you. I will. Sorry, now your company has raised 1 billion. Wait, are you serious? Steven, now, what? Wow. Oh, Nake. That is impressive. That is, wow. Yo, how's it going there, Zenib? Yo, Zenib, how can I like it? How can it like? What do you mean? What do you mean, Zenib? Holy damn, I know, right? That's amazing. That someone actually has life experience but not technical. There is no opportunities for like internship. It's the same here. Yeah, so internships are pretty rare because they're typically built for the training of an individual, right? And they are not expected to stay on. It's a temporary role, and they might not contribute much to the business. And so that's why they're very rare. Yo, how's it going there, Fadi? Hey, Fadi, welcome on in. Good to have you here. How can the text speak what? You mean this? Right, the text right there? You talk about the text on the screen? Well, this is an open source project I built many years ago. If you want, it is available for you for free. It is on our Discord. I will paste a link to it under our link share. We go to link share. There you go. Link share. If you want, available to you, this software that I wrote many years ago. Many years ago. Thanks, you'll sub. Hey, Fadi, good to hear it. Wish you a good day. Thank you, Fadi. You're wonderful. Good to have you here. And does the dishes, what does this help with? What do you mean? What help with what? I might have missed your message, Gogo. I might have missed your message. What'd you say? Thanks. Hey, thank you. Thank you. You knew Excel a few years ago. You still know Excel. You still do. You don't forget it. Never told you, but it's just really built-in functions, so it's not really programming. It's similar too. So yes, you are just calling other functions, but you're still programming. It still counts as programming. I think so. I think it is. I think it counts as programming. All right, you guys, if I missed your chat, let me know. Wonder what money will be worth in 10 years if Elon predicts comes true. Oh, yes. Yo, Fadi, thank you for subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineering. I just saw your notification there. We are building a Rust AI model today that is going to do anomaly detection, right? So on our screen, we've got anomaly detection. We're going to do this as a simple introduction into the Rust candle library, which is inspired by PyTorch. It's a Hugging Face library that also lets you run Hugging Face models from huggingface.ai. Is it .ai? The Hugging Face website. And you can run them in Rust. Export the tensors to safe tensors, and then you can run them in Rust. Yes, I think UBI maybe, Universal Basic Income. Hope it works. Sounds amazing. Yeah, thank you. Thank you again for subscribing. Odd way to program math. It basically is, yeah. Basically, yeah, it is. It's pretty odd. Wait a second. I have an idea. All right, sounds good, SQLiter. What do you mean by anomaly detection? So anomaly detection is going to find different meme here. It's going to see if there's something wrong with the data. It's going to find the outlier. We're going to find the outlier. Anomaly detected, right? Time series data, anomaly detection. So we're going to see if it works. So there's a way to do it, pretty easy. We're going to grab the norm, and we're going to then do a few other mathematical things. Hey, George, good to see you. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're doing good. You do forget it. I was using Python 5 years ago. Didn't use it for that long, and it's new language to me again. Oh, yeah, it is. That's true. It does take a while to ramp back up, right? You have to warm up and remember what the syntax is. Yes, I forget too. Import norm. I know you could do that. We want to write it ourselves. Function norm data is going to be an and tensor. We're going to return a result of a tensor. Resulte, but tensor. There we go. Let's see here. All right, I think this will help. Norm, and then we'll just say okay, tensor, new one, and we need the devices. Oh, do we already have the device? How do we get the device? We need a self, right? So an and self. We self.device. How do we do that? Self.device. We have to pass in the, is it a reference? I actually don't know. I don't know. We might already have it. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Is that going to work? Okay. We got an error. Impl type outside of create. Oh, how do we do that? How do we do that? Steven, I missed your message. Not K. You said thanks. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, wait. What do you mean? Let's see. Oh, wait. Sorry, you guys. Bro, little brother took off the pin. That is Steven did. Wait, I did? Oh, no, I didn't. Someone deleted it. I didn't do that. I didn't do that. It got deleted. Let's see. Unpin. Okay. Sorry for missing your message, you guys. Let's see. 1 second. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Check out the links in the description to draw on Steven's face. Yes. Thank you, Joe. See, that's crazy. You got 60K subs, but only like 30 people here. I don't know. What's going on? It's crazy. Animality? Wait, what's that mean? Best app for learning code. I think W3 Schools. W3 Schools is my favorite. Steven, you made it. Mike Blogger, you did? Wait, what did you make? Which part? This? The wave? The wave thing that's going across the screen really slowly? Did you make that right there? Well, anyway. All right. Hey, Fadi, thank you. Thank you for hanging out with us. Pin comment. Which one? Check out the links here. All right. I'll pin that one. Copy, pin. There you go, Joe. There you go, Joe. Message pinned. Recently started learning C# and the closest language I know to JavaScript. Do you have any tips? C# is pretty great. C# is fantastic. It does have a little bit of more verbosity to it, right? Just a smidge more verbosity. Quite a bit more. Tips? Build something difficult with it, right? Build a challenging project. Not something easy, something challenging. That's my favorite. Programmers are busy people. Exactly. Exactly. I'm with you there, Go-Go. Let's see. Where are we at here? Okay, good. We got 20 minutes, you guys. Plenty of time. Result, self. Wait, oh, we have to do self? Like that? You're saying self, so we have to say... do we... I want to return a new tensor. So it's a mutation, right? So it's not a mutation. I want to mutate. I don't want to return self. I want to return a new tensor. So it's it's a copy, right? Crazy. It's the anomaly detection. Pinned message deleted. Bro, little brother took the pin off. Let me see. You didn't forget to using Python. Okay. If I missed your message, just let me know, you guys. It's an odd way of programming math. Okay. Steven, why don't you do freelance also? Well, because I already have a job. I have a job, you guys. Right here. I'm CTO at PubNub. That takes all of my time. It takes all of my time. So I get to stream for about an hour and a half per day, right? 1 hour and 30 minutes per day. And then I do PubNub stuff afterward, yeah? I do PubNub stuff. What app do you recommend for learning code? Oscar, I still recommend W3 Schools. It's free. It teaches you how to code, and it just has ads. So it's just ads. And you can program on your phone too. So it works on your phone. That's why I like it. Right there in your browser. Is it possible to apply for your company? Yes, it is. It sure is. We've got job openings, you guys. So if you are interested, scroll down to careers right here. Where's it at? Where's our careers at? Here we go. Careers. And then we've got a bunch of job openings right here. Right there. All right, there you guys. Can I apply? Absolutely. Absolutely. Apply away. Elon Musk's tablet. Yo, Lucky Leon. Microsoft Majora. Hey, Lucky Leon. Yeah, I remember that. I remember that, right? That was their quantum processor. When's the last time you traveled in a helicopter? I did it once. I did that once. And that was like maybe 20 years ago. Can you check the Discord link share? I sent something. It's Fanta. All right, what'd you send? Link share. For anyone want to draw into my face canvas. Hey, all right. Very nice. Okay. Click this. There you go. There you go. There's the source code. Hey, looking good. Very nice, Fanta. Thank you. What is E? Oh, is this the vampire, right? The vampire right there. Do you travel a lot? Mike Blogger, I used to, and I don't travel a lot anymore. I do not travel anymore. Do you accept with no experience, sir, Steven? Well, no, you have to fit the expectations of the role, right? So we've got these roles right here. So engineer, core systems Rust, lifecycle manager marketing, solutions marketing, and developer marketing manager. So those are the roles that we have available right now. Try the pyramid. Yeah, the pyramid. So you got the pyramid here. Where is that at? Pyramid right here. 3D Vec. Very nice. Very nice. I wonder if we can open that up. Canvas 3 Vec. Whoa. Edges. Nice. This is clean. This is really clean. Good job. Very good job. I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed. Where does it transmit the data? I see. Oh, okay. It draws it locally. Got it. Got it. Draws it locally. Very nice. You don't have experience yet? Okay, got it. Yeah, you got to have the experience. You know, PubNub stuff is probably proprietary, but I'm curious about what Rust and Clippy lint settings you all use for Rust code bases. Yes, we do use Clippy. We use Audit. We use Cargo Audit, Cargo Clippy, and FMT, Cargo FMT, right? We do Rust FMT. The Clippy is pretty static. We do have a custom file for every one of our projects. However, we keep it pretty uniform. It's not that crazy. Do PubNub accept intern? I kind of want a remote intern. Oh, that would be really nice, Nitswa. Yes, it would be nice. We do not currently have those roles open. When we do, I will send it to you on our Discord. I will. I'll send it on our Discord. Yo, Rashil, welcome on back. Good to see you again today. Let's see. Do you accept? Let's see. So yes, Bonzupi. What I could do is, if you remind me and you really, really are curious, send me a message on Discord. Then I'll know to go, because I'll find, because I rack up all the Discord messages and I answer them after a while. See, like I have some unanswered messages here, and I'll go in later today. I'll find your message on Discord, and then I'll actually give you the file. I'll just give you the file straight up. I'll just straight on you marketing. What? Go marketing's great. Marketing is great. It's great. Go. I like marketing. It's drawing PubNub, not locally. You can try it to see the drawing on my face. Oh, very nice. It's a fan. Thank you. Do you do live stream tomorrow? Yes, every day at 8 a.m. Snorlax. Hey, Caden. Yo, Caden. Good to see ya. We got a Snorlax there because you're talking about Pokemon. A little bit of Snorlax. So I don't know how to see. How do I implement that? All right. So let's see this. Here we go. Grab this. Google. See, Candle, Tensor, IMPL, Rust. What is the syntax for this, right? Because it's outside the crate, so it's angered at me, right? Outside of crate. How do we do that? How do we do this? I don't commonly do this. Trait, external tensor for, oh, got it. Okay. So we have to define the extension, and then we implement the extension. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do that real quick, yeah? So trait, tensor external, right? A little bit tensor external there. Let me pull that up here so I can see that in this window here. 1 second, just in case, so I can read that later. And then I can also see chat at the same time. Bring this back over here. Okay. I mean, you can try the Pyramid 3D Vec 3D. I could. The only thing is I don't have what. So I need. Is this running in the browser? How would I run this? 0. Go back. There's. How do I run it? How do you run it? Yo,
Listen
hey.
here, son. The galaxy needs you right now. Drop anything you are doing, put on your armor, and get on Super Destroyer. Super Earth needs you. Join the Helldivers.
Yo, Commander, thank you for the 10. You're wonderful. My goodness, my gratitude's to you. I was not expecting that at all. You're amazing. What are you doing over there? Hey, the Commander. So apparently the galaxy needs us right now. We got to drop what we're doing and put on our armor. All right, where do we go? You know, I was dreaming about this last night, so I knew it was going to happen. I knew we're going to have to put on our armor and adventure off. Super Earth needs you. Hey, the Commander, you're awesome. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Move the impl to the same crate as the definition. Yes, there we go. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. Thank you, Lavish. Thank you, Lavish. Yo, hey, Commander, what was the why? What? Thank you. I'm very. That's very nice for you to do. Why'd you do it? Hey, good to see you. Hello, we're still remembering again? I sure do. Oh, sorry, tensor is an external crate. Yes, it is. It's external, yeah. I should go into, you have any path or way that you would know if I can follow to get into some exposure and a lot of coding languages? Yes, Vadsimproven. The way to do that is to build. You just got to build. You got to build. Follow a few tutorials, see how it works, and then set an objective to build something interesting, right? That's what I do. Whenever I'm learning a new language, I always build some sort of project, right? I really like building AI models in that language from scratch, just so I can get a handle of how that works. Thank you again, Commander. You're wonderful. Do you expect all the requirements that about you with JavaScript? What do you mean? Do you expect that the requirements? What about me with JavaScript? What do you mean? Wait, Mike Blogger, what are you talking about? You can download the folder on the Git drive and try running Pyramid with Node. Do you just run it with Node? Is what you're saying? Pyramid run. Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna do this one. If it fails, that'll be it. If it fails and I get an error, we're done. We're done. Let me double check this random robot. So the thing is, I don't have this. I don't have that. This will fail right there. That'll be a failure. That won't work. Oh wait, no, core is here. Okay, I see core right there. So how do we do this? Download. Okay. And double check here. I'm gonna read through this canvas here. Let's read through this. Okay. Oh right. Oh wait, I already did download this. I downloaded this the other day. Okay, so there's too much code for me to validate right now. One of my things that I don't want to do is run code on my computer that I have not read through. There's a lot of code to read through there. That's a lot of code to read through. So I need to go through and read it and validate that it's safe before I do that. You see the core folder? I saw it. There's just a lot of code for me to read through. It's fine? Okay, yeah, I'm very cautious, you guys. I'm very cautious. But if it's your project somewhere it is possible, you can do an impl for it then. Yes, you can. Exactly, Lavish, exactly. Thank you. All right, we downloaded it though. We got progress. So I'll download it. I'll read through it. When you say from scratch, sir, is it still using AI to explain things you don't instead of Googling it? Oh, hell. So I definitely do not use AI when you're trying to learn something. Just don't. Don't use AI when you're trying to learn something. I would say if you're going to ask a question and you have like maybe you want to ask a question about something and you know what you're trying to look for and you think it's a certain way and you already have an expectation of what it should be, then ask the question. Then it's okay. Don't ask it to write for you. Just ask a question about something that you're curious about and then try to implement it yourself. The critical part about learning is you got to fail. That's true. You got to fail. If you don't have that failure, you won't learn as well. You can let the clinker those code for you. That's true, Linum. That is true. You could also just not learn it. Just don't learn it and just have the clinkers do it for you. You could do that and that is perfectly acceptable. Is that JavaScript? Oh, Mike, this is Rust. We're doing Rust today. A little bit of Rust, you guys. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. If AI try to find existing function in a language, that could be fine too. Like you're using it as a tool, like a search tool of some sort. Let AI read the code. Hey, there you go. Let the AI read the code. It's Fanta. I'm with you there. There you go. Build an IDE. There you go for learning. There's a new way around. You don't have what I need to. Exactly. So what Joe just recommended is a really good project right there. Build an IDE. What does PubNub do? Lavish. PubNub is a globally distributed message bus. We have data centers across the planet. We run in all of Amazon's availability zones around the planet. You connect up to our data center to the closest region with your device automatically, and that allows you to send and receive messages. For example, you see here on our screen, we've got a bunch of things that are being painted on the screen. That's coming from someone else's computer. That's your computer, or that's someone else on stream. They're currently broadcasting that right now. Right now it's being broadcast and it's being received on my computer. You can see over here, you've got a send function called publish to send a message, and you got a receive function over here to receive the data. So when I send data, I can send it and it shows up. No matter where you are on the planet, that data will be transmitted. That's how that works. Yep. MSK. So MSK, are you talking about Kafka? You're talking about Kafka? For us, we don't use Kafka for the primary message bus. We do use Kafka internally, not for the message bus itself. We have a proprietary message bus that we wrote in C and Rust. and that runs as a globally distributed, replicated message bus. So we guarantee message delivery. Your data is with us, and now all we have to do is deliver it. What if I'm on Venus? Can Pubnub send a message? As long as you got internet connection, then yeah. Yes, you can. Standing on the shoulder of giants. Yes, I'm with you there. I'm with you on that. Absolutely. Absolutely. We have an internal implementation of the stuff similar to Pubnub. Nice. Lavish. Yes. So that is very common. So you'll have, you can have an internal like a Socket.io or a NATS, or there's other messaging buses like a RabbitMQ, or maybe you said Kafka as well. Use ZeroMQ also, right? Where are you scared working at Microsoft? No, not at all. It was fine. It was good. It was perfectly fine. I mean, I did have to struggle a little bit. It was good though. How do you find your balance between work life and the streams hobby? Being a CTO must be stressful. You look healthy and happy. Wait, are you happy? Yeah, I'm mostly happy. Yeah, I'm mostly happy. I would say I'm at the happiest that you could possibly be with the amount of work that I do throughout the day, right? So I feel like I'm on the good spot. Let's see. So yeah, back. Yo, SQLiter, welcome back. All right, let's see if we can build this really quick. So we got a few minutes left, and I got to go. So let's see here. So we're going to implement this trait here real quick. 1 second. Let me find this right here, around here. Okay. Let me bring this back over here. All right, let's see. We got our trait function norm, and I'm going to grab this code here. All right, that's going to be our norm tensor. So we're going to grab that. I hope this works. And then we're going to implement this ext tensor ext for tensor. There we go. Implement for tensor, and we're going to get our custom function double return. Okay. Yeah. Oh no! Can't find type tenor. Okay. Tensor. There we go. How about that? Okay. The size of value of self cannot be known at compile time. Line 18. Right here. Oh, did I do that correctly? Do I need it to be self? I do and self. Tensor data is a self. That should have been fine. That should be perfectly fine. Okay. Well, I actually don't know how to fix that. Let me see here. All right. So I pasted this in, but then I've got this error here. Okay. All right. Only a few minutes. Yes. Consider doing a subathon. Oh yeah. So we stream for a long time. Well, when I have more hours in the day, then I might consider that. What are we doing? Yo, Lemon Arc 64. Hey, I like that architecture. Good architecture. Right there. Arc 64, you guys. We're building an anomaly detection app in Rust with the Candle library from Hugging Face, inspired by PyTorch, built so that way we can easily create our own AI models. That's what we're currently doing right now. That's what we're doing today. Right there. A little bit of that today, you guys. See here, 1 second. See here, I'm trying to figure out where I went wrong. F32 self. Okay, I see it. Let's see here. That. Okay. How do we do this? How do we grab the device? Do we have our own device in here? Use self method device. Change self to tensor. Where? Oh, right. Okay. We messed this up. Tensor. There we go. Okay. All right. Better. All right. We're almost there. We're self. Tensor. There we go. Hey. Oh, we're so close. Line 23. Okay. It's not. Oh, right. Question mark. There. Hey, we did it. All right. We implemented our norm. Not quite yet, but we made some progress there. We made a little bit of progress. Get status here. I have to wrap up here, you guys. Who is QuickFix? QuickFix has been around for a long time on the channel. QuickFix is a longtime viewer of the channel. Is AI prompt coding as a job a thing these days? Yes, it is. To set up a bot, the heavy lifting, and just press yes. Passing the code. Curious if programming heading this way? It is. Go. It absolutely is. I'm with you on that. Absolutely. Let's go, Linum. We did it. We got this going, so I need to add this to our git add here. Git add, git status, git commit. We added, what do? We added our data and norm placeholder. There we go. All right. We're making progress, you guys. Sergio, thank you for saying hi. Your grandpa's house right now, and they finally fixed the internet. Oh, good to hear it. The size of implemented for the type trait is not known at compile time. Yes, Lavish. The problem was that it was this right here. We were doing that. Obviously, we didn't need to do that. We don't want to mutate. We want to return a new tensor. Internet night coding with you to restore your sanity. Yo, Linum. All right, good to hear it. Good to hear it. All right, good to hear. Let's see. What have you found the most challenging obstacle whilst scaling PubNub? Our customers will do all sorts of fun things, right? And they will use old versions of our SDKs that have known bugs. We've had a problem previously where it was an AT&T network with a whole bunch of AT&T phones. They DDoSed us. Yeah, no. They did a retry with exponential loop, not exponential fallback. Every time it failed, it forked, and it retried again, and it forked and retried again. So it caused a massive DDoS. We had to find the block range for those devices. We had to create an OK200 endpoint for them so that they returned OK and they went back to normal. And then we had to block them. It was crazy. It was a crazy adventure. Always customers, yeah. It's to be fair, they were using our software and our software is out of date. We told them to update. They didn't. It just takes them a while. DDoS, yep, takes me back to the Xbox 360 days. Really? Self-actual means self-self. Oh, does it? Self-actually means self-self. Oh, got it. I see. That's what you're saying. So you're saying this. Like that. All right. Right here. Is that going to work? Can we do that? Which is weird. But does it save? Oh, it doesn't like that. Type not allowed for shorthand self parameter. Really? Oh, wait. Do we have to do it like this? We have to switch this around? Like that? How about that? Hey, there we go. Right there. Okay. So that's what that's for. Got it. Got it. Okay. Yes, there we go. What does your startup do? Hey, Maya, thank you. We're a globally distributed message bus that allows you to send and receive data across all your devices. We support every device on the planet. We do sports media gaming, multiplayer gaming, allows you to connect networking to your devices and allow people to play anywhere on the planet. Very fast network. Self refers to the current type. Yes, it does. Self is already data itself. I know it is. I know. I'm going to put it back because it's redundant, right? It's redundant. The data is redundant. Here we go. And %, looking good. Okay. Looks good. There we go. All right. Good, you guys. Good. Thank you so much for joining. I had a lot of fun. I got to go. Mutation self just refer to the current type. Yes, got it. All right. Thank you guys. Interesting. Years ahead. Agreed. Go. All right. So for those of you on Twitch, let's don't go anywhere. Stay right there. We want to do a raid. I want to do a raid. We'll figure out who to raid. Don't forget actual self means self. Yes. Don't forget self actually means self. I know, right, Joe? Don't worry. I won't forget that. We won't forget it. All right, you guys. I had a lot of fun today. Thank you so much for joining. We'll be back tomorrow with the continuation of our anomaly detection. We're going to learn how to do this. We're going to build it. It's going to be good. It's going to be really good. See you later, all. Good to see you, Joe. Good to see you, Bonzupi. Lavish, thank you. Linum, those of you on Twitch, stick around. We're going to do a quick little raid. But I would say raid old Unix programmer, but he has not been in ages. Okay, if you find someone, go. I will definitely raid whoever you find. Whoever you find, I'll raid. Otherwise, I'll find someone. There's a Clippy config that doesn't let you return types, so you have to return self. Oh, got it. Okay. So very strict. See you guys. Go. There we go, Joe Coates. Okay. So we'll be back tomorrow, you guys, with more Rust and AI. Have a good rest of your day, guys. See you tomorrow. All right, Twitch. We're going to raid someone real quick.